In the shadowy waters of the wild, a sinister predator lurks. Its name: the crocodile. Did you know crocodiles can live up to 100 years? That's a century of hunting and honing their deadly skills. These ancient reptiles have the strongest bite in the animal kingdom. Enough to crush bones like twigs. Their stealth is legendary. Crocs can hold their breath underwater for up to an hour, waiting for the perfect moment to strike. And when they do, it's with lightning speed, reaching up to 20 miles per hour in the water. But it gets worse. They perform what is known as a death roll. This is a vicious spinning maneuver that disorients and drowns their prey. And if you think you can escape on land, think again. Crocs can gallop at a terrifying 10 miles per hour. So next time you go near murky waters, remember, the crocodile is always watching and always waiting. Stay safe, nature lovers.